This video is a basic introduction to the content you get to learn this year in Math 7. There are only 5 units in your Math 7 curriculum: the number system, expressions and equations, ratios and proportions, geometry, and probability and statistics. Sounds easy, right? You might be wondering, with only 5 units, we should be done before Christmas break. What are we going to do with the rest of the year? Well, in reality, those units have a lot of information in each one. It is rare if a class has time to cover all the content in each one of those units. But before you get overwhelmed, just relax. We will be exploring the most important big ideas of each unit. Unit 1, the number system. It would be futile to try to learn the rest of the math this year without having a solid grasp of the number system. This is the foundation for all of the other stuff we're going to learn throughout the year. A lot of this unit will feel like a review for many of you. All this unit is using and applying the 4 operations in mathematics: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Great, you may say. I've been doing that since elementary school. The only difference is that we get to explore these operations from the set of rational numbers, which means that we get to see what happens when those operations are applied to negative as well as positive numbers. Unit 2, expressions and equations. This unit is exactly what it sounds like. When we throw inequalities somewhere in there. This is where we get to take numbers and symbols that represent unknown numbers, or otherwise known as variables, and squish them together. Another word for this unit is algebra. This is a more powerful way to represent the real-world scenarios around you. Unit 3, ratios and proportions. Unit 3 is one of those all-around great units. It is so important and universal that you will be using content from Unit 3 throughout the entire year and sometimes not even realize it. This unit covers in-depth understanding of fractions and proportions and has some of the greatest application to real life. Unit 4, geometry. This is a big unit. We get to talk a lot about area of 2D shapes and surface area and volume of 3D shapes, and lots of intersecting lines. This is a very hands-on unit. You will be doing a lot of measuring, creating, and building, which most students really enjoy. Unit 5, probability and statistics. This unit is one of my favorites to teach. We play a lot of games and record a lot of data. This unit has a lot of content that will be used throughout the year. For example, creating and reading charts, graphs, data sets, and making sense out of them. So there you have it, 5 units. Each unit will have sections that will allow you to apply the information to the world around you. Each one is going to be challenging and fun. If some of this sounds difficult, don't worry. It is very normal to have more knowledge and skill in one area than another. Some of you may have to put more time in some units than others. But I can promise you, if you commit to showing up with a great attitude and willingness to try your best every day, you will experience success in math this year. I look forward to a great year with you. Thanks for watching.